food. Oh.
Dito sa hotel, mayroon ba night market? Malapit na night market?
Tendo ako matukulong ka to at kahapon. Pratunam. Oo. Pratunam.
Ako na.
Oo. Night market karon sa gabi.
Welcome you. We are here Samut Songkhram province. This province famous about floating market.
Ayan.
Right now we are going to pier to ride
Aha.
the long tail speedboat. Different from ferry in the morning. And this province famous about sweetest pomelo, sweetest coconut, dragon fruits, grape, green grapes,
Grapes.
purple grapes also.
Mangosteen.
Mango, yeah. Mango sticky rice, a lots of fruits in this province. Yeah, along the way you can see the plantation of the fruits, the garden here. Also coconut sugar here.
Tadi po prasan.
Oo.
Donut garden.
This is west of Bangkok.
What the name of the province? This province?
Samut Songkhram.
Province.
Lebanese.
Kung may kwan, kasina.
Naku, malubat na ang...
Ayukutom.
Not,
The boat car take long tail speedboat to see the way of life of
Uh-huh.
the people.
But, there
along
is-
the canal, along the canal.
Yeah.
Can you see swim? Can you swim?
no!
Only man-made canal, ka. Very
Ah,
old
man-made.
canal. Yeah, very old canal for 400 years.
Ooh.
To see elephant, to see elephant and crocodile. If you want to take a picture with elephant there.
Yan is crocodile riding.
A lot of coconuts here.
Yes.
Maganda pala na yan.
Sweetest coconuts in
May
this
tubig kasi. Tubig. Ako lang kinatinda kanina.
Ay, oo, tama.
Here we are one here ka.
Coco juice.
CR is there, naka comfort room is there.
Okay.
Yes. And we will take the boat from here. Bad, ha? Excuse me, ha? They serve us water.
Here? Okay.
Banana ka.
Oh, yeah. So, nag-serve sila ng banana and water free daw. Okay, kain na kami. Gutom na kami. It's mag-alas 2 na yata. Dito na tayo ngayon sa floating market. Oh my God! Maalon, maalon. Parang hindi pa ito balanse. Uy!
Ay, may mga pagkaon, no? Lots of food.
So,
The cheaper sale, not too much money for you, sure. Anything? Kitchen,
no. How about this? How much?
Thai baht.
Yeah.
that one you like one or six?
Well, how much is that?
For one? For one. And for
one.
set?
780.
That one set already. That one you stick the middle, please. Have both not balance.
Yeah, ikaw daw mag-upo sa middle.
siguro yun. Tapos.
You have mango sticky rice? Mango sticky rice? How much?
100 baht. One mango.
Mango. Big
Gusto ko mango skin. At ibig sabihin tayo hindi pwede umakyat yan? Fried rice. Oh, ayan oh, may pagkain. Kaya pala meron oh. Oo, ilibot lang siguro. Basig din ata makasaka din na.
Durian.
Wala mangustin. No.
Dito ba tayo kanina?
Ha?
Always I take, so that's why. Floating market open in the morning until sometime until 2 sometime. This is payable comfort room นะคะ5 บาท
You have to pay.
ใช่ค่ะบา
Thank you.
Are you good, Tom?
Gutom. Yeah, gutom. Yes, yes. Now we have to eat. Magkain na daw kami. Saan? Saan niya kaya tayo dalahin ito? Yeah,
And if you want to buy mango sticky rice, mango sticky rice is there.
Ah, yeah, we tried already.
Yeah, noodles.
How much is the mango sticky rice?
60 baht. Yeah, you have time to walk around here and
Uh-uh.
have lunch here. This restaurant also. And we will eat. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can take order your plate here. We have 1 hour. You can walk around here.
And then where we meet? Ah, okay, here you,
If you want to take
come.
order food, this one you see,
Uh-huh.
this is delicious restaurant.
This one? Ah, okay, so we can have here. Oh, sige, wait, check na. Which one?
Also have three.
No, we don't like spicy. Oo, sige. O, sige. Ano ni?
Rice?